If you're an agent who's looking to learn more about the Canadian Mentorship Program, stay with me. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate marketer, real estate agent with the eXp Realty Brokerage. I'm also a KV Core peer coach with Inside Real Estate. And if this is your first time coming to my YouTube channel, you're going to learn everything about real estate marketing, systems, process, CRM, strategies, lead generations, name it, you learn it here. If this is your first time, like I mentioned, if you can hit that subscribe button, that'd be great so you can get updates on more content like this, as well as that notification bell. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment section. In the comment section, leave a comment. I'd love to hear if you have any questions about this video, if you want to see more of content like this. And in this video, I'm going to share with you everything you need to know about the Canadian Mentorship Program. I'm going to do a frequently asked questions. I'm going to go through everything with you and talk about some of the checklists and how you're going to be ready as a mentee, and also what it takes to qualify for a mentor so you're getting paired up with the right people. And then I'm also going to show you some of our resources to ensure that you get paired up with the right mentor as well. And I'm going to share my screen and show you some of these things. So stay with me. And one of the things that I wanted to mention is that if you are a brand new agent thinking about coming to eXp, and if you're looking to partner with somebody, meet with us, meet with as many people as you like so that you can compare and see what the resources are coming from every agent here at eXp who's looking to attract and growing their team. And so I highly recommend you book a call with me, meet with me. I'll happily share everything that we offer here at eXp Realty. And so when you're learning more about this program, one of the things that I wanted to mention is that you as a mentee, you get paired up with an approved and certified mentor at eXp Realty and who gone through education, who's been approved. And you also get to graduate from this program once you have 3 or more deals that you've completed here at eXp and have done some education and some courses as well. And as an agent coming here at eXp, our regular split is 80-20, with 80% going to the agent, 20% the cap fee going to eXp. And when you enroll in this program, in the mentorship program, it goes to 60-40, with 60% going to the agent, with 20% going towards the eXp fee, the cap fee, and then the next 10% going to the mentor, and another 10% going to the mentorship program. So keep that in mind. And if you have any questions at all about the mentorship program, you can get in touch at cdnmentorship@exprealty.net. They'll be able to happy to share all of the information about the mentorship program and for enrollment. But in a moment, I'll share my screen and share the application with you so that you can understand and learn more about the program. One of the things that I wanted to share with you is the requirement for to be able to graduate from this program is 3 transaction. And yes, it includes all transaction, whether it be leases, working with the listing or buyer deal. So I do want to mention that. And in terms of who the mentor is, do they have to be part of your real estate board? No, they do not have to be part of your real estate board, but the legal requirement is that they're part of your same province. As you guys know this, we have different policies and Tenancy Act, and there's different things that are different than other provinces. So it is really important that you are paired up in the right province. And I am in Ontario, and it is different than other provinces. So keep that in mind. And if they don't have someone available in your province, they will let you know that they do not have a mentor at this time, and they put you on a wait list, and they'll let you know when someone becomes available. I remember when I first started here at eXp Realty, our mentorship program was at its infancy, and I couldn't find a mentor. And when they eventually did, they put me in touch with the top producer at eXp, and he's still here. But the problem is that he was available. He would always not show up to my meetings, and he was available closing his deals. But my clients and my business was equally important. So it was really important that you speak up and you ask and get paired up with the right people. And which is why I have resources, which I'll show you in a second, that goes through questionnaires and a guide to make sure you find the right people. And that's one of my job as a sponsor, to ensure that you are happy here at eXp and ensure that you get the right support that you're paying for. So make sure that, and I'm so happy that I asked for a new mentor and I got paired up with a really good mentor. And then our program finally got relaunched again, and there's so much more life to it, and there's a lot more process to it. So you really enjoy it here. And there are requirements to become a Canadian mentor. So do keep in mind that these folks have done minimum 8 transactions in the last 12 months. They are in good standing with the real estate board. There's no complaints against them. They go to provincial meetings, they participate, they know about the process, they know how all of the applications and tools and technologies work. So really getting the best of the best, and they know what to do when it comes to your transaction. You're really getting a hands-on training and support when you're paired up with a mentor. And if you have multiple licenses in other provinces, you can get a mentor in different provinces. Just make sure that they're not in another place. That's the most important. They have to be in the province that you are licensed in, so they're able to help you and understand the rules and regulations of that province. And when a mentor is paired and when you're ready to be accepted, they do put you in touch with both of you and let you know and communicate with you that a mentor is ready for you. And do keep in mind, they mentioned that in the frequently asked questions, and you'll know this when you fill out the application, is that when you are not responsive as a mentee and you don't go to meetings, and it's one of the checklists, right, to be able to be enrolled in this program, they will remove you from the program. But it also works the other way around, because I'm an agent here and I did not have a great experience at the first time when the program was its infancy years ago. Do keep in mind, it's gotten a facelift. It's a completely new, different program. And I'm so grateful for this, because everything I learned was because of I got in touch with the right mentor. I spoke up and ensured that I got connected with the right mentor, with the right energy, who was available for me. So make sure and had the right resources for me as well. And now I get to teach thousands of agents from what I've learned. And I mentor, 70 plus agents of my group at the time of this recording. So it's really important that you're finding the right people and you're connected with the right people and you have hands-on training. I meet with agents on a weekly basis, hundreds of agents I've trained for KB Core marketing related, and they've told me that they're part of brokerages, that they're paying such and such fees, and a broker won't even be available for them unless they have a client ready. And it's mind-blowing. And it's like that in the standard when it comes to a lot of brick and mortar locations as well. So at eXp Realty is very different, and that's why I love this program, and I want to be able to share this information with you. And so going back to the mentorship program, yes, all transaction count. And another thing I want to mention is that when you have any questions with them, make sure that you meet with them and set expectations and schedules, because that's really important in the health of your relationship and for you to get the most out of this relationship. And if you need to change a mentor, make sure you go back and communicate that and be transparent with the mentorship department, so they're able to find the right people for you, and it's for the betterment of the company as well. And also I wanted to mention that they are in the process of putting together a workplace group so that you can communicate and meet with all the mentors, and and make sure that you have the right requirement. There is a boot camp that you need to go through in order to graduate from your mentorship program. You need to attend the provincial meetings. You need to meet with your mentor regularly and share all of your transaction. Again, close 3 of those transaction. And now I'm going to share my screen and show you the Canadian application, the mentee application. So when you click English or French, because there are French agents as well, depending on the province you're in or the area, right? So once you clicked on English, make sure you go ahead and fill in, first name, last name, your eXp email address, and the province, so they put you in touch with the right agent. And then if you're on a team, and then if you already know about a mentor, whether they're your sponsor or someone that that you're working with, that might be a good fit for you, you can put that in there as well. And then also there's checklists that you want to go through to make sure that you get paired up with the right person, and you can send that over to the department. And the checklist, there is a Canadian mentee expectation checklist, and then you can go through to ensure that you're ready for this program. Have you gone through the mentorship, the boot camp? Are you going to be available to go to trainings with your mentor? And are you, are you communicating about your upcoming transactions, and have you reported them, and have you met with your mentor and talked about goals and scheduling and expectations, so that you get the best out of it? So here's the program frequently asked questions that I was kind of going through. So if you have any questions about that, you can definitely connect with me. And the other thing that I want to talk about is that, like I mentioned, when you join our group, you get access to my group. When you join in my group, you get access to my team dashboard with all of these trainings and courses and private groups and weekly masterminds of up to 5 and 6, depending on, and our upline have their own masterminds as well. You get our 90-day fast track program, my KV core programs and setups, social media training, and you get access to the Karuvi social platform, the content platform that does social media content for you. You never have to worry about social media, and so much more. But because we're on this topic of Canadian mentorship, you get access to my personal drive. And like I mentioned, in my drive, I have a guide in here of questions that in-depth questions that look at exactly what you're looking for and then what you should be asking the mentor. So you're getting paired up with the right person here at the company. Really important that you're in full control of your business and that you ask questions and you participate and you communicate with me. And I'd love to know how I can be of better service for your business. And that's why if you're looking to partner with somebody, if you're looking for a sponsor here at eXp, make sure you're doing your research and please take a time to meet with me. This is one of the best decisions you'll ever make at eXp is finding the right sponsor and upline for your business, because they're going to help you in all aspects of your business, because a mentor is there for your transactions and I'll help you with hands-on training and support, really field level, where I'm here to help you in all other aspects of your business, everything from time management, productivity, CRMs, process, systems, lead generations, marketing. That's my specialty. So if you want to learn more, there's tons of videos on this channel. You can connect, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and book a call, meet with me, and I'll happy to share all of the information about eXp and what it's like to join our group. It's a pleasure. I'll see you in the next video.